Today I have Poco F6 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Settings application, no Settings application, Google Chrome application, and tap on the three dots on the right corner and there's Settings. As their password manager, and there we can manage our Google passwords. We must press on it, enter our look screen to get connected to that, and there after we press this first icon we can copy it, or after we press this icon our smartphone show us password switch. Remember, you can also edit all by tap on edit, and edit your use may edit your passwords. And note, when you change something you must press save to save it. You can also delete passwords which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.